joint team of Imphal East and West Commando apprehended 4 cadres, including 4 cadre of proscribed groups from different places yesterday. According to police, the female cadre belongs to Pre-Park Pro, while the 3 male cadres belongs to outfit KCP Noyon Group. The arrested personnel have been handed over to concerned police station for taking up further necessary legal action against them. Sleuths from the National Investigation Agency (NIA) yesterday conducted a raid at the residence of peasant leader Akhil Gogoi. The NIA team arrived at Akhil's residence at Nizarapur of Chandmari in Guwahati at around 7 a.m. and began massive search operation. Another NIA team conducted raid at the Gandhi Basti situated office of the Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti KMSS. However, it could not be ascertained as to what materials the teams have seized from Akhil's residence. The Border Security Force (BSF) recovered arms and grenade launcher from a house in Aizawl, the state capital of Mizoram. It is suspected that the arms were dumped by Myanmarese rebels. According to media reports, the BSF recovered the arms and ammunition from a house on Tuesday during a regular patrolling in an area within Aizawl. The annular solar eclipse, the last one of 2019, has begun. The last solar eclipse of 2019 took over the skies around 8 a.m. this morning. The December 26 solar eclipse will be visible most prominently from South India. Indian tennis icon Leander Paes announced that he will bring the curtains down on his illustrious career in 2020, which will be his farewell season on the pro circuit. Paes, who is the most successful doubles player in the history of Davis Cup with 44 wins, recently dropped out of top 100 for the first time in 19 years.